The story of India is incomplete without trains. It is still the largest means of transport and the biggest employer. Whether it is our movies or our politics,
लंबी दूरी के यात्रियों की अपेक्षाओं को सिर माथे पर रखते हुए मैंने इस वर्ष भी सभी मेल एक्सप्रेस साधारण पैसेंजर गाड़ी के 50 रुपये से अधिक द्वितीय श्रेणी एवं स्लीपर श्रेणी के किराए में 2% कमी करने का मैं निर्णय लिया है।
our train journey never ends. Marriages are fixed on trains. Friendships are sealed. Murders are committed. But the job of the men who keep the trains on track is a lonely, thankless one. They remain invisible, often walking 10 kilometers along deserted tracks alone, checking for faults that could take the lives of hundreds. They are the final safety valves of the Indian Railways, the goalkeepers of the nation's 99,235 kilometers of railway lines. Welcome to Your Short English. This is your host Pallavi Bharati, and in this episode of India's Loneliest Jobs, we bring to you the story of the trackmen who man the Indian railway lines. Indian trains chug over oceans, wind along high-altitude mountain passes, taking passengers through snow and desert. To run trains smoothly, the Indian Railways employs men and women, and it is their job to run along the tracks before trains come, to find if the trains are unobstructed or if they need maintenance. It is a tough job, and it is a lonely one. Let us bring to you the story of Ayodhya Prasad, a trackman with the Northern Railways, one of Indian Railways' 18 zones. Every day, he heads out to work along the railway lines in Delhi Division. He has one job: to avert any incident along any of the railway tracks that run along. To do that, he will have to man 8 kilometers, carrying a bag of tools with him.
अब ये लोग कॉमनली जो हम लोग टूल्स लेते हैं उसमें एक भारी भरकम बारी होती है, पंजी होती है, गैंती होती है, स्पैनर होता है, फावड़ा, तसला, हथौड़ा और कुछ चाबियां भी लेते हैं जिससे कि
Spanner, hammer, bowls, fireworks, flags, everything goes in the bag, which weighs anywhere between 35 to 37 kilos. Trackman duties are carried out by 3 kinds of professionals. There are keymen, who run along train tracks to check for faults, to carry out maintenance work, and tighten keys and bolts of the tracks. He comes to work around 5 a.m. in summer or 6:30 a.m. in winter. If the keyman sees a job that requires extensive work, he calls in the trackman. The trackmen carry out heavy maintenance work that they need to carry under a deadline that hangs like a sword over them. A second's loss might lead to a nightmare. Then there are the patrolmen, who look after tracks in the night. During rainy seasons, Ayodhya Prasad says, trackmen stand along the tracks even in the midst of pouring rain. Videos of trackmen standing without rain gear in torrential rains have recently gone viral. Ayodhya Prasad says that patrolmen have a tougher job. They have to fight mosquitoes, sometimes even wild animals. Darkness envelopes a patrolman in a tight grip. Low visibility on winter nights, covered by blankets of fog, have taken the lives of many trackmen.
अब हम लोग नाइट पेट्रोलिंग भी करते हैं, रात में पेट्रोलिंग करते हैं, जिसको हमको एक जीपीएस दिया गया है। तो सबसे खतरा क्या रहता है सर, रात में दिखाई पड़ता नहीं, विजिबिलिटी होती नहीं है और हम ट्रैक।
We do night patrolling and we are given GPS devices for navigation. Visibility remains low and on winter nights it is difficult to see trains under fog. Trackmen like us are mentally depressed because of this, and many times trackmen get run over in the night.
At night, patrolmen need to run across 8 kilometers several times to ensure that the tracks remain unblocked and safe. On an average, Ayodhya Prasad says, 2 trackmen sacrifice their lives across Indian railways every day to keep trains safe. The risk, he says, far outweighs the reward they are given. After years of demand, the government agreed to pay them a risk allowance. But the amount remains low.
और हम लोगों का ट्रैक पे जो काम करने वाला ये ट्रैक पे काम है, ये बहुत रिस्क भरा काम है, क्योंकि जान तो जोखिम में रहती है, जान हथेली पे रहती है हम लोगों की। तो हम लोगों को सरकार ने बहुत डिमांड करने के बाद में जो है एक रिस्क अलाउंस दिया 2700 रुपये। और कई
The work we do is full of risk and our lives hang by a thread. In response to a long-term demand, the government agreed to pay us a risk allowance of 2700 rupees. But in many departments, the amount is substantial, like in the army, while our risks are equally high. There was talk of giving us an allowance of rupees 5,000, but nothing happened.
Workplace benefits for trackmen are not ideal. Salaries remain within 20,000 rupees per month, and promotions are hard to come by. Their living quarters are in urgent need of repairs. And trackmen can be called in for duty at any time, even after the work for the day is done. What has made matters worse, says Ayodhya Prasad, is that GPS devices that are given to trackmen to help them navigate are now used to track them instead.
कीमैन और पेट्रोलमैन को हमारे रेलवे तंत्र ने जो है एक जीपीएस दे दिया है और निगरानी तंत्र हमारे ऊपर लागू कर दिया है, जो कि ठीक नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर ये तो ये बताता है कि हम कहाँ से कहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहे हैं।
The GPS devices have become surveillance tools. They track our movement, but it should ideally warn us of the movement of incoming trains.
Trains are what comes to the mind of many when they think of India. And yet, not all of us know about the sacrifice of many who ensure that the trains chug peacefully. Across the breadth of this country, hidden in its diversity are many such jobs. Till the next episode, here's Pallavi Bharati signing out of Earshot English with our reporter Amrita Madhukalya. Keep listening to Earshot and download the Earshot app.